Intro. So, you've spun up a Kali Linux virtual machine, you've got the iconic dragon logo staring back at you, and you're ready to dive into the world of ethical hacking. But then you open the applications menu, and, it's a lot. There are hundreds of tools, each with its own cryptic name and purpose. It can feel overwhelming, like being handed the keys to a spaceship without a flight manual. Where do you even begin? What's actually useful for a beginner? Get it wrong, and you waste hours. You don't need everything. You need the right few. A core set forms the foundation of almost every test. Like a phone, hundreds installed, 10 you use daily. Fundamentals separate dabblers from practitioners. Here are the top 10 tools for beginners in 2025. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. Nmap. If hacking a network is like entering a building, Nmap gives you the blueprints. It maps hosts, services, and open ports. Active scanning, you're knocking on doors, it's visible. Discover what's out there, what's listening, and rough versions. This intel guides every next move. It's the difference between guessing and knowing. Scan only what you own or are authorized to test. Practice in your lab or reputable training platforms. Unauthorized scanning can be illegal. Be ethical. Nmap scales, from one host to complex ranges. Start simple. Discover services and approximate versions. Learn scan types and outputs. It pays off for years. Nmap, eyes on the network. Non-negotiable for fundamentals, number one for good reason. Next up, Metasploit framework. If discovery finds an opening, Metasploit teaches what going through looks like in a lab. A structured ecosystem, exploits, payloads, auxiliary. Learn the flow without low-level code. Find, configure, execute, validate. Practice only in a safe, isolated lab against purposely vulnerable VMs. Turning theory into a contained demo is an aha moment. Understand payload types at a high level, avoid real systems. It's the industry standard, so learn responsibly. Real exploits, real consequences. Authorization is mandatory. A whole curriculum in one CLI, used ethically. Start simple tutorials, celebrate safe wins. Never point at live targets, keep it in the lab. Burp Suite, Community Edition. An intercepting proxy for your own traffic. See and modify requests. Tools for methodical testing. Replay, iterate, and learn responsibly. Only test apps you own or are authorized to assess. Use safe labs and training targets. Wireshark, packet-level visibility. See network protocols in action, every bit and byte. Filters turn noise into insight. Primarily passive, but data can be sensitive. Analyze your own network. Avoid public spaces with other users. Watch normal traffic to learn how the internet speaks. One of cybersecurity's best learning tools, used ethically. Web traffic up close, network truth underneath. Aircrack-ng Wi-Fi security auditing, your own network only. Learn how wireless security works by observing and auditing your lab. Never target neighbors or public hotspots. John the Ripper, recover weak passwords from hashes, lab only. See why weak passwords fall to word lists and simple mutations. Understand length, complexity, and MFA from the defender's side. Hydra, online logon testing. Noisy and easily detected. Generates logs and alerts. Use only in your isolated lab. Test weak creds, then harden with lockouts and monitoring. Wireless auditing, offline cracking, online logons. Big ethics required. Your lab is the only playground. Next, databases and discovery. sqlmap automates database injection testing. Authorized targets only. Can enumerate databases and data on intentionally vulnerable labs. Practice only on purposely vulnerable apps and labs. Nikto, fast checks for misconfig and outdated components. Great for low-hanging fruit. Research impact before acting. Loud scanner, expect logs. Use with permission only. Gobuster, directory and file discovery by word lists. Uncovers hidden pages and paths. Quality word lists matter. In labs, discovering forgotten endpoints teaches real risk. Not random utilities, parts of a repeatable workflow. The line is permission. Stay on the right side. Practice in your lab. Build skill, not trouble. Pick one tool, spin up, and start learning. Peace.